Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you study chemistry for SSC. Start by mapping the full syllabus and marking high-weight chapters to plan focus study blocks. Use a weekly planner with 2 or 3 core topics per day and schedule short active recall sessions. Mix reading, problem-solving, and quick revision notes to build confidence. Keep sessions consistent and review weaker areas twice as often to improve retention. Adopt practical techniques that make chemistry stick. Write quick flashcards for reactions, teach concepts aloud, and practice numerical problems daily. Work on past SSC papers to get familiar with question patterns and timing, and analyze mistakes after each mock test. Rotate topics using spaced repetition to avoid cramming and to strengthen recall. Keep explanations concise and focus on understanding mechanisms, rather than rote memorization for better exam performance. When tackling chemistry problems, begin with one solved example and then try a similar question without looking. Write out each step clearly, annotate why you used a formula, and always check units and conversions. Practice balancing equations, stoichiometry, and basic thermodynamics with timed sets to build speed. Review errors immediately and note tricky patterns to avoid repeating mistakes in the actual SSC exam.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.